And we are straight away cutting across to some breaking news coming in as one of the constables, Muthuraj, who was arrested in the Thoothukudi custodial death case, turns into a witness. Special Sub-Inspector Paul Raj, not included in the FIR, also turns into an approver and ready to give statements against the other cops. That's the latest update that is coming in. So 5 police personnel who were involved in the Thoothukudi custodial killing, booked under murder charges in the case, have been arrested. The hunt that began late last night and completed in the wee hours of this morning. Sub-Inspectors Raghu Ganesh, Balakrishnan and Constables Muthuraj and Murugan, who were arrested by the CBCID investigative team in Tamil Nadu. They've been remanded and produced in front of a magistrate. I want to bring in Sanjeevi, who's live with us on the broadcast, because Sanjeevi, this definitely brings about a major twist as far as the investigation in the case is concerned, with 2 of them turning approvers.
Well, events are turning around and there are many twists happening each and every hour in this Thoothukudi custodial case after CBCID has taken the investigation, and even after the arrest of the prime accused in the case. There have been many turns of events since we are getting 2 latest information from the investigation team that one constable who has been arrested and named in the FIR, named Muthuraj, is going to be turned into witness and going to give the statement against the other accused in the case. And secondly, this other special sub-inspector from the Sathangulam station named Paul Ture is also going to turn into approver. But Paul Ture is not mentioned in the FIR, neither he's been arrested in the case, but we have been told by the sources that he is going to be turned into approval and give statements against other policemen. And Muthuraj constable, who has been also arrested in the case, who was named in the FIR under the merger charges, is going to turn into approver and he will not be remanded, is what we have been told by the police sources as of now. The case is also going to come at Madras High Court at 10:30, where all this information will be produced before the Madras High Court by the CBCID, because the Madras High Court had sought a report from the CBCID 2 days back when the hearing happened. So now CBCID will submit a report before the Madras High Court on what and all the events happened right now and how many arrests made and all other recent developments in the case. Crispin.
Oh yes, Sanjeevi, fast-paced developments with the CBCID probing the case, also wanting to understand when these 2 approvers are likely to furnish the statements and then what happens from there on.
Well, first the report will be submitted at the Madras High Court at 10:30, where Madras High Court will set the next course of action, and we can also expect the Madras High Court to fasten the investigation before the CBI takes up the case, because Madras High Court suggested that CBI or the Tamil Nadu Police IG can take up the case until the CBI team is formed and CBI start the investigation, because the Tamil Nadu government had transferred the case to CBI 4 days back, and it's going to take some more time for the CBI to form a team and take up the case. Until then, the CBCID team of Tamil Nadu Police investigation will investigate the case. So we can expect fast developments in this case since the arrest has already took place. We can expect the approvers to give the statements within today itself. Crispin.
So basically, Sanjeevi, one constable who has been arrested has turned approver. Another sub-inspector who has not even been named in the FIR, Paul Raj, he has also turned approver. But what about the other 3 who've been arrested, which include the 2 sub-inspectors and the other constable? Are they also likely to give in?
Well, Raghu Ganesh is the prime accused and Balakrishnan is also the prime accused, who are SIs who are involved in this brutality mainly, and they are the prime accused and they have been taken into custody and they will be also remanded is what we have been told. They will be produced before the magistrate after 10 a.m. today and will be remanded is what we are getting to understand from the CBCID sources right now. And on the other hand, there 2 people have accepted to turn into the approval right now. One is Muthuraj, the constable, who is also the accused in the case, and second is Paul Durai, who is one of the special sub-inspectors of the Sathambaram station, who in fact witnessed all these brutality which happened to both Phoenix and Jairaj. This is the information which we are getting right now. So fast-paced developments happening. So we have to wait and see what CBCED is going to do at the magistrate court, whether they are going to send to judicial custody or CBCID is going to ask custody to investigate these accused. So we have to wait and watch what is going to happen when they are going to be produced before the magistrate. Because there are two options. One, they'll be sent to the judicial magistrate, judicial custody, or they'll be taken into custody by the CBCED for the investigation. So we have to wait and watch what the CBCED is going to do, and other developments will depend upon that, Crispy.
Absolutely, Sanjeevi. This is Suesha, and every development now that could be a turning point as far as the probe in this case is concerned. We'll keep coming back to you for all the updates. For the moment, thank you for joining us.